Sa Memaro na kami. We're in Japan. Okay, so mag-check-in na kami. Good morning!
Morning! Good morning!
Day 1! How was your sleep?
Good.
Good? How about you? How was your sleep?
Good.
You?
That's good.
How was your sleep?
Go, how's your sleep?
Wala, I didn't sleep eh. Namahay ako eh.
Time check.
10:20.
10:20. Dapat ang peg namin umalis ay 8.
We're 2 hours
Pero ang
late.
hirap. Kita mo ng mga outfit namin later. Mag-outfit reveal tayo. Waiting for our Uber. Going to Disneyland. Yay! So we're here. Thank you Parenting Emporium for the stroller. This one naman from yung mama. Gamit na gamit dito. Oh! Hi guys!
Hi! Hi!
Hi, 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 hi! Isang trolley namin sinita kasi may bag. So, bawal po yun here. Going here pala, nag-Uber kami. It cost us like 11,000 yen. And, right now, napag-decide yung asawa ko na mag-rent na lang kami ng stroller for Feather. Kasi nga, mahirap talaga guys na may mga bagyats na kasama. And ang dami pang tao. Oh.
Yes.
Akala ko na pasara ko to today. Hello! There's Eeyore! Aww!
Picture! Forest!
So since ang dami ng tao, hindi kami umabot sa parade. Let's see. Eating time, babe! Happy birthday!
We're going inside. We're invited kasi. By Belle.
By Belle.
Belle Mariano.
We're going inside the castle, babe. Are you invited also? Yes?
That was a joke.
Kapag are you invited? Sabi niya, no, that was his joke.
Awesome! I got you.
Etong trip namin to Japan is really birthday gift namin ni Feather.
Sa dami tayo nang i-request ni Feather. Ito talaga. Ito ang gusto niya, guys. So,
Nung 7th birthday niya. So
nakipon talaga kami.
Yeah. Kasi tinanong namin anong gusto mong regalo. Ang sinabi niya talaga.
Ayaw niya ng party, no?
Ayaw niya ng party.
Yeah.
So, we threw a small party for her na kami-kami lang, family and cousins niya. Ito talaga hiningi niya. Kaya itong trip na to ay Happy Birthday Feather in Japan edition. I can show you the world. Shine. Tell us all.
Ay, yung tanong ko, kanino ba siya? Sa dami ng
Okay,
prinsesa,
guys.
kanino ba tong castle?
Kanino ba talaga to?
I'm a princess, but I can stay here forever.
Aww. I'm here outside waiting. Tulog na si Forrest. Hi guys, saan kayo? You're gonna ride? Hindi na naman nakasakay. Feather Freedom! Yan na sila. Hi! Feather Freedom! How was it?
I'm please.
Siya nag-press nung up kaya sobrang taas namin.
Oh! How was it, girl?
Good.
Like,
Good.
lang, ah.
Good!
And the little girl is...
I don't know.
Oh,
Sleeping
sleepy.
na. What's the name
You
of
have a new
this?
pet? Wow! We're gonna ride this. Kasi hindi pala na-try ni Freedom and ni Forrest. But Feather, tapos na siya dyan. But still, we're gonna ride it again.
Stop.
Uy!
So, saan tayo ngayon?
Itong favorite ride ni John. Ever since. Hindi ko alam bakit. Sobra siyang nati-thrill. Iba yung...
Grabe yung adrenaline nito eh.
Yeah.
Grabe yung adrenaline.
Ito kami. Patay namin sa mga anak namin. Ngayon, dati kami lang di John ang andito. With Feather. Yeah.
Mama? Also Mew.
Papa and Mama. Thanks, Papa and Mama. I like it so much.
Ginabi na kami. Marami talagang rides na hindi namin na try. It's because ang lala ng pila dito. Merong, ayan o,
82 minutes.
82 minutes. Feather loves to shop pa daw. Check out some other shops. Chine-check namin lahat ng popcorn kasi may gusto siyang lagayan ng popcorn. Dito daw siya mamimili.
Wala akong pili.
Ah, ikaw? Ikaw ba? This boy is lining up for Winnie the Pooh popcorn bucket. Ayan. And there you have it! Our Disney
Adventure, pauwi na kami sa hotel.
We had a great time, guys! Yes.
How about you, Forrest? Energy!
How about you, Feather? Oh, just like that. So, nakabili na nga. Yan. Tapos si Feather, you got hairpins, right?
For lesson.
Okay. Si Papa got what?
A Jiminy Cricket na pang-car.
Nasana, sinama niya dati pa. Ito, pagod is real. Ito na yun, nagising ko. Nasa akin yung bag. What is that?
We're making a castle with a cup holder.
A2, back to back. Where are we going?
Disney Sea.
Yeah.
Kidzuna.
Disney Sea. Okay, outfit check. Ayan. So, nakadoble yan.
Layered.
Layered.
Feet check.
Yan. Feather. Let me see. Yan. How about you, Free? Ooh.
How about the rock star?
Rockstar.
The rock star.
Off.
Wow. Disney Sea. Back to back.
Back to back.
I'm sleepy.
Happy? Excited si Papa? Excited si baby girl? Birthday girl?
Right, hindi ko na ma-imagine kung
Hindi mo ma-imagine
alam mo
yung
kung may isa
pagod.
pang Disney, kung may Disney Earth or sana bukas.
Disney
gusto ko
ulit.
talaga yung sunod-sunod.
I'm wearing lang isang thermal sa ilalim and then turtleneck na long sleeves and eto, trench coat and joggers and leggings sa loob. And socks. The weather right now is 5 degrees. So, okay, kaya naman yung ganun lang yung outfit. And we rode an Uber again. I booked the tickets via online. Ticket namin dear sa mga rides. Minsan mga parang 2 months before pa lang sila nag-open ng ano, ganun pala here. So, yun lang yung mga tips ko. Ano bang mga tips na bibigay mo going here?
Dala lang kayo ng maraming energy. Tsaka patience. Yan ang
Grabe.
yan ang talagang mapaparatag sa inyo bilang magulang.
Sa relationship.
Yes.
Advice sa relationship dito sa Disney.
Lambingin nyo at mahalin yung asawa nyo dahil sila po ang magbibigay sa inyo ng shopping.
Wow! Actually, it's my first time here in Disney Sea. And first time din namin, pero first time din namin mag back-to-back sa Disney. We're eating. Mga 10:30 pa lang ngayon. Kasi kung sasabayan mo sila ng lahat ng mga kakain mamaya, 12, ay, ang daming tao. Tapos like kahapon nangyari sa amin, mga 1:30 na kami nakakain. Kasi ito, brunch na naman to. Brunch na. So, nag-breakfast kami, light lang. And, ito, lunch na namin. Para dire-diretso na ang saya. Diba? Excited ka? Happy birthday ka! Ano kaya mag-rides? Sa ibang rides naman, 150 minutes. Sana maka-ride kami. Oh. What is this place? Oh, ito. 50 minutes naman ang waiting. Ayan. Wow. Oh. Ito naman yung pila pababa. Come here. Favorite ni Freedom. Hi! Say hi! 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 Yay! Tingnan natin yung pila nito. So, we're here in Aquatopia. Ito lang kasi pwede namin masakyan. Di lang may height limit yung sinakyan nila, Feather Freedom and John. 40 minutes sila doon. And ito, 25 lang. So, try namin dito. Matatapos na lang kami dito. Sila hindi pa rin. Wow! Look, 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 look there. Wow! So fast! Ayan kami. Ah! Wow! No, we're going inside. We're gonna go inside. Woo! Had fun, baby? Woo! Taray nitong anak ko. Sabi pa ba niya not fun? Kasi gusto niya talaga mga roller coaster ata. So, hindi naman siya kasya talaga doon. We're going to this. Hindi siya umabot na naman.
O, hindi allowed eh.
Hindi inalaw si John sa loob. May height limit. 6'2" kasi si John. Masyadong matangkad. First ride na kumpleto ang Krabbies.
Hi, ka.
Hi.
Wait. Are you
Vlog din siya. The Karate Kids. Yan, ang sasakyan namin. Are you excited? Oh!
It's gonna fly now. It's gonna fly.
Look, it's gonna fly. Wow.
Oh, Pirates of the Caribbean. No?
Long queues. So, hindi namin sure. Baka sightseeing lang talaga kami dito. Okay. Milk time. And yung isa, excuse me, Papa.
Yes. Sleeping time.
Sleepy time. We are going home. Mag-check-in pa kami sa bago naming hotel, Mimaru, Ginza East. Doon yung hotel namin.
Hello, we're in Ginza 6. First time namin dito. Sobrang maganda daw.
Sabi natin, Julie.
Yes. So, thanks to Reco. We'll check GU.
We'll check, Ate Julie.
Apparently, GU pala is the sister company. Sa
Of
owner
Uniqlo.
ng Uniqlo. Pero ano yung description? Parang mas young ba?
Yeah. Thank you, Ate Julie. Nakapag-invest kami sa GU. Currently, naghanap kami ng outfit.
Naghanap na ako.
Picture siya, OOTD.
Hi, Kaf. Excited ka na sa room mo? Wow. Okay.
We're here in Mimaru, Ginza East.
Marami kasing Mimaru talaga.
Yes, ang daming Mimaru. You can check them on their website or on their social media accounts. They're super friendly. The staff are so friendly as well. And very accommodating.
Let me see your reaction. Okay. Open!
It's the same.
Is it the same? Open your eyes. Go!
Yeah, I'm sleeping up with you. Yeah.
Open your eyes, go! Welcome to my room!
What is?
Yan na po sila talaga.
Okay, good morning. Day 3. We have a pictorial care of Nice Print today. Thank you, Nice Print. Okay, outfit check tayo, everyone. He's wearing thermal under, tas dress, and yan. Back boots. Yan, naka-thermal na leggings, and inside, yan. Yes! Naka-thermal also. Ayan. Si Papa naman ay effortless kasi gusto niya malamig. So, we are here. Hindi apart. So, ganito pala kalaki to. Ano to? School? Ano kaya to? Wow! Ganda naman dito.
Sobrang ganda.
Hi! Ayan. Hello! Lagi kami madalang electric fan kasi may init yung mga food. So, we don't wanna blow kasi, syempre, mga sa live natin baka lumilipad-lipad sa pagkain ng mga bata or anak namin. Okay. And syempre, alcohol na may mukha ni Madam. For our food, ayan si John kasama. From Nice Brand. We're just waiting for our food. Ang haba ng mga pila lang. So, kaya paghandaan talaga. Buti na lang may mga snacks kaming dala lagi. Ayan, tips din. So, may mga snacks, biscuits, and water. We're here in this restaurant na masarap to yung tempura. Binasa namin yung reviews also here. Okay naman. For eating. Ito yung beef. Tapos ito yung tempura nilang sagad. Sagad. Pakita mo. Dulo na napaka-laki. Dulo-dulo yan. Yan. Diyan po ko nang galing. At paglabas ko ay medyo luhaan. Daming maganda. Ayan, haba ng pila po. Sagot naman dito sa Chanel. Haba rin. Sana lang tayo nito, guys. Dito ako sa labas with the baguettes while John is in the restroom. May meeting pa yan. Tululaway namin dito sa Louis Vuitton Chanel na nasa, at least nagkapunta ako ng Chanel, guys. Diba? Sa labas nga lang. Selfie-selfie agad. Walking in the streets of Ginza. Pero, at the same time, okay, nagtutulak po. Huwag niyong gayahin to. Ito na nga, nawala kami. Meaning, shopping kami dito. Naghanap kami ng boots na sobrang gusto ko. Pero, unfortunately, wala akong size. Sariling fit check. Don't mind the bag. Kasi nandyan yung mga passports namin tsaka pera. Ito, ayan, syempre alcohol and bigay ng husband ko. Yee!
So, pinakita namin yung ganda ng Memaru. Kung gaano ka family-friendly ng Memaru. Diba? Syempre, in reality, hindi naman talaga ganun ang nangyayari. Kahit naman sinong may pamilya dyan, I'm sure makaka-relate having 3 kids.
I have something to show you, everyone.
Okay, wait.
Right there.
Sinasabi ko, yan nga yung saya na magkasama yung pamilya mo kahit magulo. Aminin natin, nakakapagod din talaga. Pero at the end of the day, yung saya na nabibigay natin sa kanila.
Like to my channel. So my friend is going here. So I love this Japan pa. And my friends know that it's kitty. I love him. I love it. I play. And I eat too. And I just wish is Spider-Man. What the fuck? It's kind of button. Hi guys, we are in Japan po, and then we went to Disneyland, Disney, like that something. And then we ride the car, then we eat some food, then we had some fun. And then right away we exchanged some hotel. So that's all. Subscribe the bell button. Subscribe. Bye guys. Pati TV.